Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write a letter to Santa Claus on the occasion of Christmas. Christmas is just round the corner and you all must have so many wishes to ask for from Santa. So you can write all your wishes in the letter to your dear Santa Claus on this festive season of Christmas. I have written mine, so let's get started. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Dear Santa Claus, I hope this letter finds you and your reindeer in high spirits. My name is Sambhavna and I have been a good girl this year. I have tried my best to be kind, help my friends and family, and do my homework on time. Christmas is just around the corner and I wanted to share my Christmas wishes with you. This year, I would really love endless laughter and spark joy in every day. It would bring so much delight to my heart. I have also been dreaming about a brand new red bicycle, and it would make my Christmas extra special. Please grant me a year of health, wealth in smiles, and an abundance of love. I promise to leave some cookies and cake for you on Christmas Eve. Wishing you a safe and magical journey on Christmas night. Thank you, Santa, for spreading joy and making this season so wonderful for all of us. Merry Christmas with love, Sambhavna.